In light of our experience over the last year, how has the pandemic informed the discourse, the debate on basic income? What can we learn from the rollout and the impacts of CERB?
I think a lot of things. I mean, I think one of the things that happened is that many people who never thought they'd be looking to the government for help suddenly found themselves applying for CERB support, and they realized what a difference it could have made in their lives. I'm not sure what impact that will have going forward. I think a second thing we learned, and this goes back to Lindsay's tax nerd sympathies, we learned that when people are engaged with the real problem and they're given a tight timeline and the imagination to do things differently, they can do things differently. I thought that the way the CERB was implemented was really revolutionary in the sense that people applied online, very simple, straightforward process. They had direct access to administrators if they needed help to access the system. They attested to their income. They stated what their income was. And in a very short period of time, money ended up in their bank accounts. Now we know there were issues with the rollout, not least of which because the government couldn't decide what it meant by income. But setting aside those minor issues of definition, this was a really revolutionary thing to try. And I think it's something to keep in mind as we go forward. We don't have to keep doing things in the future the way we've done them in the past. So I think that's a really important thing. I think the fact that people have seen these support programs work one way or another for the past year means that they're open to thinking about different ways of doing things.